Yes, you still can get approved for credit cards even if you have a high utilization, but it's going to be very hard, to be honest. Now, if you guys have a high utilization, I suggest you guys try to apply for credit cards and do a balance transfer, because they may understand, like, okay, you just want to do a balance transfer, and they may actually approve you for the credit card, but it is going to be a lot harder if you guys have a high utilization. Now, this is what I want to tell you guys, and just listen to it, but do as you please with it. If you guys have credit cards, um, and technically, if you have high utilization, it's dropping your credit score. If you guys have credit cards that's reporting a balance, I do suggest you guys, if you're in the market of getting more credit cards, I do suggest you guys pay off those credit cards or pay them down as much as you can, and let them report to the credit bureaus. Let them report to the credit bureaus that you have a low balance, right? So that your credit score can go up, so you can get approved for more credit cards. And if you need to use that credit card again, go ahead and use it again. And say if you had to pay your internet bill, your cable bill, you have to pay your phone bill, go ahead and take that money and put that on your credit card. Let them report the lower balance now, and then go ahead and pay your those bills with that credit card, because I want you guys to have a lower utilization reported. That way you guys don't have a hard time getting another credit card. And when you get the other credit card, try to get a credit card that do a balance transfer. So let me show you a few credit cards that can do a balance transfer. So if you guys go to my website, Rickita.com, you're going to see a search bar right here. Go ahead and click on that search bar and search a balance transfer, okay? And when you guys search a balance transfer, you guys are going to see a lot of credit cards here that you may want to do a balance transfer with. Some of them could do a balance transfer, and like the truest, and I going to put together a complete list of credit cards that can do that balance transfer, like the best credit cards for balance transfer. Because if you guys can get a balance transfer, say with let me see, like if you guys can do a balance transfer, it'd be good. Like say if you want to do a balance transfer with like Discover, if you guys are able to do a balance transfer with them, it'll be good because they can pre-qualify you, and not only can they pre-qualify you, it's going to be without a hard inquiry. So let me show you that balance transfer. I mean the Discover card. So like with them, you get 0% APR for 15 months, but Discover may not approve you if you have a high utilization. So just pay down the credit cards temporarily so that you can go ahead and have them report a lower balance, get your credit score up, and then right here you can see if you can pre-qualify for the credit card. And if they can pre-qualify you, you're going to have a 0% intro APR for 15 months on purchases and balance transfer. They are going to charge you a balance transfer fee of 3%, an intro fee of 3%, but it is what it is. It's better off than what you have, but you should try to transfer that balance, and you should try to pay off that account, because you'll